Hello everyone, my name is Japman Singh Monga and I'm a third year student of National Institute of Technology Delhi. So I appeared for GRE and I scored a score of 323 with a perfect score of 170 in quants and 153 in verbal. And currently I'm studying in computer science department and I'm aiming for a fall 22 intake. Byju's conducted a seminar in our college and it was a interactive seminar on the further studies. What can we do after the college? How to go for further studies in different countries. So it was a very interactive session, and that session pushed me to go for Byju's. Like most differentiating factor of Byju's from others was that the team that approached me, it was I guess Mohit sir, and he approached me and he followed me up and he was very friendly in talking to me, and he understood the struggles that a student goes through in the college and what exactly needs. So the Byju's approach to give a personal curated plan to each student was very intriguing, and that was differentiating factor of Byju's from the other coaching institutes out there. After the seminar, there was a round of resume consultation for all the students who participated in the seminar. And in that round, I was actually, due to a couple of reasons, I missed the resume discussion round. So I was not participating in that. Even after that, Mohit sir, who was my academic counselor, he approached me personally and he asked me that if I would like to join, and he explained me every detail and plan that the Byju's offer, and also the differentiating factor that Byju's offer from the other coaching institutes, and why should I take Byju's. The one thing that is differentiating from the others coaching institutes is the tablet that they provide for the preparation. The tablet contains an app which is specifically dedicated for the GRE, and it contains offline video lectures that are used for studying for the GRE. So the tablet content, to be specifically, was very nice in terms of quant. The quant teacher that taught us, he covered every minutiae, every aspect of aptitude and the quant that was needed to ace a perfect score in GRE. I scored a 170, so you can count on me. And about the verbal thing, Santosh sir was brilliant. Santosh sir, the way he teaches, the pedagogy that he adopts to teach the students is brilliant. Santosh sir was my personal favorite in verbal section, and basically he adopted a methodology that he converted the verbal questions into set of specific techniques that we could adopt and work out as a quant section only, do this and do that and you'll get the answer. Up from studying only 20% of the passage, you could get 80% of the questions right. So yeah, that was good. One thing that was particularly missing in tablet content was one-to-one interaction with the teacher. It is dependent on it is very personal to the student if one-to-one interacts with the students and answer his doubts in the real time. So that's where the webinars helped me to gain it. For the quant, I just preferred the tablet content, but for the verbal section, I did attend many of the webinars of I attended webinars of Monica ma'am and Tanuja ma'am. So yeah. So in the webinars, the main benefit of the webinars is that you get to interact with the teachers personally, and you get to ask the doubts in the real time. If you have doubt, then you can just type on the chat box and she'll answer it. Also, there were many sheets provided, the worksheets provided that solved in the class itself, and the doubts were cleared as on that day itself. So yeah, the worksheets that were provided, they contained the questions that were not there in the tablet, so that helped in getting more practice out of the content, and it gave us the wide diverse variety of the questions. And also they discussed where could we go wrong, and what are the general trends where the students go wrong, and what should we do, what should we not do. So the teachers were very good and very helpful in understanding the students. Yeah, webinars were good. Test prep support team, the GRE support team at the career labs and the Byju's is very helpful, and they take care of the students on a personal basis. Personally, you get a call every month they ask you how is your preparation going, are you feeling any difficulty, are you lagging somewhere, how much of the course has been completed, and they note it down. They personally curate your progress. And if you have any doubt, if you're facing any struggle, if you're facing any difficulty, then you could just mail to them. They'll get back to you in 24 hours, and they'll surely have a solution to your problem. So I focused on finishing the tablet content first, and I in a month or two. So I took a month, I completed the tablet content, and after that I focused on practicing. Okay, so yeah, we should not forget that the main section of verbal that constitutes is the vocabulary part. In the vocabulary part, there is a software that Byju's provides it. So in that, it takes some time to complete. So we should be focused on that parallelly to our preparation. Vocabulary has to be good to score good in verbal. There's no alternative to that. So yeah, we should start with the memory and parallelly study for it. I think that the quant section would be finished with the tablet, and you won't need to attend the webinars. In case you find any difficulty, then you can attend the webinars, but I guess the tablet content would be enough for the quants. For the verbal section, there are sometimes that you need to see the strategies that the webinar teachers are adopting, and they solve the questions in the real times. Then after that, you can attend the webinars and practice. Practice is the key thing in the GRE, because the time given for the questions are very less. It is 35 minutes for the quant section for 20 questions, and 30 minutes for 20 questions of the verbal section. So the time provided is very less. It would be very helpful if you have a lot of practice and you could answer the questions in very less time. And also the accuracy matters very much.